In this video, I'll demonstrate how to export stacker multiple plate data from the Nivo software and import the data into MyAssays Desktop Pro. Stackers allow multiple plates of data to be read in sequence as opposed to requiring each plate to be measured individually. Opening Nivo 4.5, I'll log in and navigate to the Protocols tab. For my analysis, I'd like to read 3 plates on the Alpha 96 well protocol using the stacker functionality. So to do that, I'll select the Alpha 96 well protocol, and to read a single plate, we would normally press Start. But in this case, to initiate the measurement, I'll select Stacker Start, which will read my 3 plates that I've loaded into the stacker using the selected protocol. Once we've started our measurement, as the measurement progresses, you can see each plate is being read. On the Results tab, we can view our collected results. Selecting the results from our most recent measurement and scrolling over, we can see the measurement data for Plate 1, Plate 2, and Plate 3. In the Export section, we have a couple of different options for how to export the data. For import into MyAssays Desktop, it's recommended to export XLSX data using the All Plates setting with the export type set to Plate Format Full Data. So I'll export the data using these settings and save it to our measurement folder. Now we can import the data into MyAssays Desktop. You can import the data into existing protocols. However, I'll use our data to create a new protocol. Within the MyAssays Desktop Explorer, I'll open the New Protocol wizard and select the My Data is in a File or Spread Across Multiple Files option. Next, I'll browse for and select the measurement file, and leaving the Automatically Import Measurement Data checkbox selected, on the next step, we can see the measurement data for all 3 plates has been successfully imported. We can view the different plates of data using this drop-down box. Because we selected to import the full data from the Nivo software, the run's associated metadata has also been imported, and we can view that using the Meta tab. On the next step, we can specify which sample types are included in our assay. For this example, my assay uses standards, blank, and unknown samples. Next, we can either select from existing plate layouts, edit one of the layouts to meet our needs, or create a new plate layout. Because we're working with a multiple plate layout, if we select one of the existing single plate layouts, the same layout will be applied to each plate. If the layout differs for each plate, we can specify differing layouts using the Layout Editor. Layouts with 3 dots at the bottom right-hand corner indicate multiple plate layouts. My assay contains standards and blanks on plates 1 and 3 in this configuration, and plate 2 only contains unknowns. So I'll select this multiple plate layout. For more information on configuring plate layouts, please see the associated video. Pressing Next, we can review the data overlaid with our plate layouts. Here you'll notice when we toggle to plate 2, you can see a different layout appears, the one containing only unknowns. On the next step, we can name our assay and optionally add a description. On the last step, we can review the configuration summary, and pressing Finish will launch the protocol. Once our protocol opens, we can see that our measurement data has been imported, and the results display our sample tables containing the results of each plate. Plate 2 contains only unknown samples, and you'll notice that as we progress through the plates, the unknown numbering is automatically updated. In addition to importing all plates from a single measurement file, the files can also be exported from the Nivo separately and imported into a single MyAssays Desktop protocol. Back in the Nivo software, I'll simulate an additional stacker measurement using the same Alpha 96 well protocol. This time, when reviewing our results, we can select to export each plate individually to the same Plate Format Full Data XLSX format. I'll export each of our 3 plates to the Measurement Data folder. These files can be imported using the new protocol wizard as previously demonstrated, or we could import them directly into an existing protocol. Back in the MyAssays Desktop protocol we've just created, I'll open the import wizard and select to import measurements. This time I'll select the option My Data is Spread Across Multiple Files. Here we can press the plus and select the 3 plates we've just exported. Note the order in which these plates are added will define the order they are imported. So for example, the first file will be plate 1 and the third file will be plate 3. So it's important to ensure the measurement files appear in the correct order. Leaving the Use Existing Measurement Import Configuration checkbox selected, I'll press Next. And here we can again review the data with our plate layout overlay. One difference you'll notice here is on the Meta tab. When importing multiple files, the metadata for each plate is imported separately. Leaving the Calculate Results checkbox selected, when we press Finish, the measurement data is imported and results are calculated. If you have any questions about how to export multiple plate stacker data from Nivo and import the data into MyAssays Desktop, please email us at support@myassays.com.